Best Desktop Paper Organizer Review. In this video, we will share with you one of the most popular tabletop paper organizers in the market that have been used by thousands of people who have given their stamp of approval. We will share with you some of the features of what makes this desktop paper organizer so popular. Also in this video, you get to see a quick demo of how easy it is to set it up and use it right away. The one that made our list is the Simple Houseware 6 Trays Desktop Organizer. This tray set is great for holding letters, A4 size papers, folders and more. The 5 trays at the top are tilted so that you can access documents easily, and the bottom tray is great for stationery and other desk accessories. This organizer is made from black steel mesh for extended durability, and the upright design saves space on your desktop so you can work without clutter. This organizer measures 13 by 9 by 15.5 inches, and you can choose from either black or silver. To check out the full specs of a Simple Houseware 6 Trays Desktop Organizer and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/desk.org. Here's a quick look at how easy it is to set this up and use it right away. So there you have it, the Simple Houseware 6 Trays Desktop Organizer. Considering its ease of use, the quality of this organizer, and its overall functionality, we feel that this desktop tray set is the most value for money. Again, to check out the full specs of the Simple Houseware 6 Trays Desktop Organizer and check out its current price, you can go to grabit.at/desk.org. Alright, thank you for watching.